Indian Premier League 2026 match number 55 Punjab Kings vs Delhi Capitals match played at Himachal Pradesh Cricket Association Stadium Dharmshala. Delhi Capitals won the toss, elected to bowl first. Punjab Kings 20 overs 210 runs lost by 5 wickets. Shahriar Shire is the highest scorer 59 runs 36 balls. Then Delhi Capitals best bowling spell Madhav Tiwari 4 overs no maiden 40 runs 2 wickets taken. Delhi Capitals 19 overs 216 runs lost by 7 wickets. Akshar Patel is the highest scorer 56 runs 30 balls. Then Punjab Kings best bowling spell Arshad Deep Singh 4 overs no maiden 21 runs 2 wickets taken. Delhi Capitals won by 3 wickets in this match. Player of the match Madhav Tiwari. Congratulations Delhi Capitals.